Okay, how are you? Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm happy
Okay. Why are you happy?
because I'm
To
going to go to
go to?
Hạ Long Bay.
Okay, what is this place? Hat Lampai. A restaurant? A mall?
No, it's a place, a famous place
Mm-hmm. For what?
for playing.
Oh, okay. Arcade. It is an arcade. Okay, Miranda. So we will going to continue our lesson. So we have finished this activity from 1 to 5. And there's only one activities left. Okay, so it's six, number six. Okay, find words and phrases in the text that mean the following. That mean the following. Oops. Okay. Can you read number one for me, please?
Number
Mm-hmm.
list of food and instruction explaining how to cook something.
Yes, explaining how to cook something. So what do you think? What is it describing in this? So it's something we can find in paragraph one. Okay, what is this thing? After returning from a busy day at the supermarket she owns in Manchester, and after putting her three young children to bed, okay, she would watch, okay, memorizing. So from this word, memorizing complex recipes without making a single note. Okay, so what do you think it is describing? It is describing a
Describing a
res
recipe,
recipes.
recipes,
Yes, recipes. Okay,
recipes.
right. Because in number one, it says that, okay, so recipes, it is a list of foods and instructions explaining how to cook something. So this is recipe or recipe book. Okay, so this is recipes. Okay, so we will just going to find the words or and phrases in the text that means the following. Okay, let's move to number two. Can you read number two for me? Number two.
Style of cooking.
Okay, it is a style of cooking. What is this? What is it describing? So you can find it. It says that you can find it in paragraph two. It is a style of cooking. What is this? You can find it from the paragraph two. So what is this style of cooking?
Is Thai cuisine.
Okay, so a style of cooking is a cuisine. It's a cuisine. Okay.
Cuisine.
Yes, a cuisine. And in paragraph two, there's it's mentioned a Thai cuisine. So this means a style of cooking. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So let's move to number three. Miranda, can you read number three for me? Food.
Food cooked and bought at a shop but taken home to be heated and eaten.
Okay, food. Cooked and bought at the shop, but taken home to be heated and eaten. So it is, what does it mean? It is okay, let's see in paragraph 3. What is this? It says that it's food that you can heat when you get home. So it is, mhm, what it means. It is,
Red,
mhm. What is your answer?
ready meals.
Yes, it is a ready meals. Well done. Okay, very good. Ready meals, it means a food that is already cooked and bought at the shop, but taken home to be heated and eaten. So it called ready meals. Very good. Okay, so let's move to number 4. People. Hmm?
People who
People.
write ac- articles,
Mm-hmm.
giving
An
their
article.
opinions about books, films, music, restaurant.
Okay, so it is a people who write articles giving their opinion about books, films, music, restaurant, etc. So, what do you call these people who write articles? Who's giving their opinion? Like, for example, you are owning a restaurant, and these people arrived in your restaurant to write an article. Of course, you want to make a good expression, and to make a good impression to these people. Impression. So they will going to write a good article in your restaurant. So what do you call these people? So we can find it in paragraph 4. Okay, Miranda. What do you think is this words that is described in number 4? Hmm? What what do you call these people who writes an article?
Marina O'Loughlin,
Okay, so but what is Marina Ogloglin? What is she? She
who
is
now works
yes, she is
critic,
working. Yes, a
critic,
critic. So the answer for number 4 is critic. Yes, these are people who write an article about music, food, okay, music, food, films, and etc. Okay, number 5.
be in danger of failing.
Okay, be in danger of failing. So what word is this number 5 describing? We can find it in paragraph 5. What is this word? Okay, let's take a look back. And number 5, it says that be in danger of failing, be in danger of failing. So it means, what word is it? You can find it here. Mhm. It's just one word. Mhm. What is your answer, Miranda?
Struggle.
Yes, struggle. Well done. Okay, so this word describes or this words also means struggle. Okay, began to struggle. So be in danger of failing. Okay, number six, property.
Property by a company or organization.
Yes, a property owned by a company or organization. What do you call this place? We can find it in paragraph 5 also. So let's go to paragraph 5. Property owned by a company or organization. What is this word? It is.
Company.
It is a place that is owned by a company.
Replacement.
What? What is this word means? It is a place that is owned by a company or by a person. So, or organization. So, what is this? Pre?
Premises.
Yes, premises. So, this is called premises. Premises is the words that describing number six, a property owned by a company or organization. All right, so let's move to number seven. So we are now in number seven. Okay, can you read number seven for me, Miranda?
Long flat surface where
Very.
customers are served.
Yes. So in a restaurant, okay, for example, you are in a cafe. Okay, so for example, you're visiting AHA Cafe. So what is this long flat surface where customers are served? Like where you are ordering food. What is this? What is this place or thing called? Okay, let's take a look at paragraph 6. What is this? Hmm? Hmm. What is this flat surface where the customer is served? It is a an area in a restaurant or in a cafe where you can order your food.
Restaurant.
Okay, so what um for example, you are visiting a restaurant or you're visiting your favorite place, AHA Cafe. So where do you get your order and where do you, for example, you're going to order your drinks and food. So this surface is called, this
Um,
place is called, huh?
Where?
This place is called a
Thì chị biết.
Okay. So this place is called
Restaurant.
a
Counter.
yes, a counter. So it is a place in a restaurant where we can get our food where the okay. It is a place where the customers are served. Okay, it's a long flat surface where customers are served. It is a counter. Okay, how about number 8, Miranda?
Advance.
Yes, advice. Synonyms of advice. Which word? Okay, with the same meaning, advice. Take a look at paragraph 6. It says advice. Mm-hmm. Like for example, I gave her advice. So, what is the synonyms of advice in this paragraph? Which word?
Tips.
Yes, tips. And I gave her some tips too. Okay, or advice. Very good, Miranda. Okay, number 9. Ask for. Ask for. Okay, so let's look for sentence G. Ask for. We are looking. It is describing,
Review.
yes, reviewers.
Reviewer.
Yes, reviewers. Okay. Last one. 10. Real or true? Okay, number 10. Real or true? So how do you call what do you call if a product is a real? So what is the synonym of this word? It's original. It says. For example, you're going to visit a Thai restaurant. It says that it serves a okay, let's try to have a look at letter G again. So which word is close and this? Real or false? Like for example, if you got a designer bag, okay, how do you tell if this designer bag is original or not? Mhm. It's it's also called what? Mhm. Okay, let's look at letter G. So which word is the closest in this? What it is describing? It says in number 10, real or not. Is it real? Our example, we can also use these words in a person. If she is being true to his or her personality. So what is this? What is this word? It's called, it's called,
Authentic.
yes, it's called authentic. Authentic means genuine, real and true to one's own personality. Okay. It means authentic. Okay, Miranda, so let's, what is that? What is that? Is that a ruler?
Yes.
Yes, okay. All right, so let's move to the next page. Listening, okay. Since we don't have an audio for this one, Miranda, we were just going to try, okay, to answer each activity. Look at the photo. Do you ever buy from a food truck, buy street food, or order a takeaway meal? Miranda, have you ever buy from a food truck before?
No.
From a food truck, or for example, a street food. Have you ever buy a street food before in Vietnam?
No.
A street food you haven't tried? How about to order a takeaway meal, a takeout? Have you tried to order
Not yet.
takeout? Not yet.
No.
Okay, so you have not experienced, like for example, you're going to order in your phone, from your phone, and the food will going to get delivered in your house. Have you ever tried it? Hmm?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Can you tell me why you haven't tried this? Why you haven't tried street food, takeaway food, and the food from a food, okay, and buy a food from a food truck? Can you give me the reason why not? Why not? What is the reason why you haven't tried to
Because
eat?
I don't like it.
You don't like it. Okay. How about, okay, so this is an example of a food truck. Look at this. A food truck. Okay, where is it? Okay, look at this, Miranda. So this is an example of a food truck. So you're telling me that you haven't tried any food or buying food from this? Hmm? No?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Okay. So you will going to use some of these expressions. Okay. When you're going to explain why you haven't tried any food, any takeaway food, and to buy street food. Okay, you can use any of this word. Convenience food, delicious, heat up, junk food, packaging, portion, sit down meals, tasty, healthy or unhealthy, hygienic or unhygienic, vegan and vegetarian. Okay, can you read this for me again, Miranda? What is the first word?
Làm gì có giấy? Giấy
Convenience.
này á. Còn cô em bảo.
Okay. So what is the first word from in the box, inside the box? It is
Convenience food.
very good. Okay, how about this one?
Delicious.
Very good.
To heat up. Junk food.
Mm-hmm. What else? What is this?
Packaging.
Packaging. Packaging.
Packaging.
Very good. Okay, and For
portion,
okay. Next word. Sit.
sit down meals,
Okay. And what is this?
unhealthy,
Okay, this one first. What is this? How do you read this?
tasty,
Very good. Okay. And this one?
unhealthy,
And healthy. Okay. How about this one?
unhygienic,
Unhygienic
unhygienic,
and hygienic.
unhygienic,
Okay. How about this one?
vegan,
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 veg.
vegetarian,
Okay, vegetarian. Okay, let's start with the convenience food. Okay, so you haven't tried any convenience food before, Miranda? Hmm?
um,
But in the cafe, they are also offering a convenience food. Oh, okay. For example, do you have you ever visited a 7-Eleven? Hmm?
not yet,
7-Eleven, you haven't?
no,
But there's a 7-Eleven in Vietnam, right?
yes,
Yes. Okay. So this is a 7-Eleven. This is just an example where they are offering convenience food. Okay, because 7-Eleven is a convenience store. Like anything you want or anything you need, you can find there. Okay. For how about the taste? Do you not find street food delicious? Is it not?
not,
Okay. Can you share what kind of street foods do you know in Vietnam? Hmm?
uh, sausage,
Sausage. Okay. So you don't like this kind of food?
yes,
Yes. Okay. How about okay, so you since you haven't tried it, then there's a probability that you haven't tried a heat up food, like a ready meal food. Like it is inside a container. It is a food that is inside in the container, and then you will going to heat it up. You will going to put it inside the microwave oven. So you haven't tried it?
yes,
All right. Okay. How about junk food? Have you tried junk food before? Hmm? A junk food. Like fries, chips. This is junk food.
yes,
So you have tried junk food before. But where are you ordering this junk food?
in
Where are you?
McDonald's,
Okay, so it's in McDonald's. So it means that you have tried to order a takeaway meal because McDonald's is offering this kind of service. Okay, Miranda?
okay,
Okay. Okay, Miranda, since we are running out of time, can you re-enter again the Zoom?
yes.
Okay, I will wait you again. Okay. Bye-bye.